Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Andrew from Mentor Learn, and today I'm giving you 10 specific words that will instantly change your speech pattern in French. Let's dive in. First word is du coup. Technically, historically, it means as a result. But in modern spoken French, we use it constantly to mean so or therefore and refer to the consequences or effect of an action. For example, le magasin était fermé, du coup on est rentré. The store was closed, so we went home. Next we have en fait. En fait means actually or in fact. You use this expression when you want to pivot a conversation or you want to correct a misconception. It's much stronger than using, for example, réellement. Je pensais qu'il était timide. En fait, il est très bavard. So I was thinking that he was shy, but en fait, il est très bavard. He's very talkative. Next in line, we have bref. We all have that friend who tells stories that go on for way too long. I know that I am one of those people. So usually, what I will use when speaking in French is bref, in order to summarize. It means long story short, in summary, anyway. For example, j'ai raté le bus, il a plu, j'ai perdu mes clés, bref, c'était l'enfer. That means I missed the bus, it rained, I lost my keys, okay, so I'm enumerating a lot of actions and saying then, anyway, it was hell, okay? Bref, c'était l'enfer. Next we have quand même. Quand même is a very versatile expression. So let's group its meanings into three categories. Number one, express contrast or proceeding in face of difficulty. Je n'aime pas le travail, mais je dois le faire quand même. I don't really like the work that I do, but I have to do it anyway. Next, we have expressing emphasis or surprise with quand même. It would mean really or seriously. C'est quand même cher. This is really expensive. C'est quand même cher. And lastly, we have expressing something that is at least acceptable in our books. Tu pourrais quand même m'aider. You could have at least helped me. Next, we have franchement. French culture values opinions and debate. When you want to give your real unfiltered opinion, you're going to start your sentence with franchement. It means frankly or honestly. It adds weight to whatever you're going to say and it tells people, okay, no more BS, no more lies, no more politeness. Here is the raw, unfiltered, honest truth. Franchement, je ne suis pas d'accord avec toi. Honestly, I don't agree with you. Another very used word in France is genre. It's the direct equivalent of the American informal word like. So, being an informal word, you should not use it in like interviews or anything like that, anything formal, right? But, for example, you can use it to say, Il est arrivé genre à minuit. He arrived like at midnight. Now, let's move on to an expression that is highly used in France. Avoir hâte. Stop saying je suis excité or stuff like that because you're implying, as you probably know from my other videos, physical excitement, if you know what I mean. To be safe and sound, use avoir hâte. It means that you can't wait to do something or you are very excited about something in the future or you're looking forward to something. J'ai hâte de voir ton nouveau département. I can't wait to see your new department. Another common French expression is ça marche. You probably say on a daily basis oui, d'accord, but there are so many ways to express agreement with something or someone. So let's spice that up by saying ça marche, that works. For example, a conversation could go a little bit like this. On se retrouve au cinéma à 20h? Ça marche. That works. Meet at the cinema at 8 p.m. That works. Next we have n'importe quoi. Literally, it means no matter what or doesn't matter what. And that meaning it's fine. But when someone says something crazy or something out of the ordinary, you're going to want to say that's nonsense or that's silly, and to use n'importe quoi just for that. Il dit qu'il peut voler, c'est n'importe quoi. He says he can fly, that's silly. And the last expression of the day is laisse tomber. While literally it means to let it fall, figuratively, the figurative meaning is much more appreciated and used in France, which is drop it, forget it, never mind. Tu ne trouves pas mes lunettes? C'est pas grave, laisse tomber. You can't find my glasses, it's okay, forget about it. Laisse tomber. So, there you have it, 10 words that will make you sound more fluent. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel by either buying one of our pre-recorded courses for €5 each course, where we go around the theme and go over grammar and vocabulary that is necessary for you to cover for that topic, or you can head over to the second link in the description and join the waitlist for our upcoming tutoring platform, where you will learn French among other topics with me as well as other tutors in fun and engaging ways. So for now, bye bye and see you next time.